What's up, chicas? So this is like a very last minute random ass video that I'm deciding to do right now. So what this will be is a last minute quick makeup tutorial. This is like what I do every day, casual makeup shit. I don't really wear that much makeup. Like, I like to do some bold eyeshadows sometimes and shit, but like I really don't be putting on foundation. That shit's just very unnecessary to me. Definitely not on an everyday basis. So today this is going to be a little basic makeup. Okay, so these are my main little tools. I really don't know if this is showing. I use Luminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal fucking now Goat. And I have my black Radiance True Complexion contour palette. I don't know, I don't give a shit about like brushes, just a blender brush and then an applicator brush, and then I have this double stack mascara as well, and then this E.L.F like eyeliner. So I start off by using, oh shit, that's not that. I start by using Magical Morning something. It's a primer that I got from Lush. I love Lush. And I just use this on my eyes. It applies very smooth and soft, and then it like has a matte finish. So I just apply this primer on my eyelids. Oh, and the base of my face right now, I use shea butter daily. So I currently have shea butter on my face, along with this aloe vera spray gel that I got from a store in Korea. Some shit. Okay, so when I really don't want to do too much for the day, I have this. I got this from, it was in this little box kit from Ulta. It's like a little brow tint. So I just brush up my brows with it just to make them a little darker, make it look like I did something to them, even though I really didn't. Make them a little bit more dark and defined. Fucking trash. Oh, and those of you who do not know, I have a slight potty mouth, so you might hear some profane language. So if you are not with the shit, then I guess you shit. Move the fuck on. Okay, so then for basic makeup every day, like quick shit, I just do the middle one, which was supposed to be sculpt, and it's like the lighter browns. And I just do that like so with the blending brush. See, my eyes look a little bit more defined and shit. After I do that, I'll take a color from either my Jacquelyn Hip palette, and I am going to take these two colors, kind of dab. Don't know if it's shit. Just give me like a little natural brown eye look. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing right now. It's okay, trial and error video. This is a very typical look for me, so it's just a test vid, you know? I can do this shit any day. So then I take my little E.L.F thing, eyeliner, under eyes, and I kind of go through my lashes. I go through my lashes just to make above my eye look a little darker. Can you tell the difference? I don't know. Okay. There's that. I always do like the little inner teardrop. So I'm just gonna dab maybe this one and just add a little bit of light to the corners. My channel is gonna be all about being a conventional baddie, period. I don't use any expensive ass products. You know, like I don't spend $100 on an eyeliner or fucking mascara or anything like that unless it's bought for me. The most expensive thing I have is my Jacquelyn D foundation that I bought when I first got into doing makeup, which was like freshman year of high school, or no, sophomore year of high school, years ago, and I still have it and it's barely used. And then my Fenty Beauty Pro Filler foundation, because I mean that shit's bomb, so I had to. And I may go get her matchsticks, and that'll be the most expensive thing in my little makeup collection. But I'm really not fond of buying expensive ass makeup. I'm just not. Cause when you bad, you don't fucking need it. But for real, like, you just want to accentuate your already like good qualities. You just want to make them a little bolder. You shouldn't be trying to hide your face, like put a mask on literally every day. That's just ridiculous. And that shit fake as hell. I'm not a fan. That's what the fuck society wants you to do. Put your fucking mask on your face every day, and that's just not, that's not what's up. If you ain't got bottles of bands, bitch, don't book me. Okay, lastly, oh yeah, forgot about this little thing. I just take my highlight from here. You see this is gone because I love this, but a highlight. Yeah. I usually don't even do this much. I'm just feeling myself. I'm feeling my song right now. And that's pretty much it. Last little touch. I don't even be wearing lipsticks anymore. I just put on some Vaseline. Now, this is very important. Edges. Okay. Now this stuff is almost gone. I got this from Amazon. This is a supernatural grow hair gel, extra hold. Basically, this is the GOAT of edge controls. However, this is kind of just a replacement for my it's called My Gel by Joie, Joie, and that is the best. Fuck, something in my eye. Best edge control I've ever had, and it's made with all natural ingredients like vitamin A, B, C, E. Purified water is the first ingredient, then honey, coconut oil, like lit. I'm all about using natural ingredients, so. Oh, we just slowed shit down, huh? That's my playlist for you. No, this is a very super, like, I'm doing this so lazy right now. I just want to smooth the shit down so it's not all fuzzy and trifling looking. And it's way past due for me to take these twists down, so don't judge me. Conventional, okay? Realistically, we are lazy, you know? And I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help the everyday lazy girl baddie. So you're welcome. This is for you. Wow, look 10 times better already. Just look at what edge control can do to you, girl. I love how it's just like super teed, and now I'm all in my feelings. What the fuck? Don't know who I am. Actually, I know exactly who I am. That is who I am. super teed and then in my feelings 5 seconds later. Yep. A little better. I'm not gonna press it down or anything, cause fuck it, why not? But that is the final natural look. I hope y'all enjoyed. Subscribe, let me know if you liked the video, let me know if you want to see more. And that's that.
They keep trying hard to get at me, but I don't think it's sticking. They only wanna beef with me because they see me winning. It's diamonds in my ear, so it's hard for me to